We'll set up some items after you've decided on your camera angle. For the photo render, this is a house we previously imported from SketchUp. It already has certain materials from the SketchUp files, as you can see. We can use Lumion's materials to replace them. In the left corner, select the Material Editor tab. We are working on the camera position that we set earlier. It will help you not to get lost in the less critical corner. Now consider the class material of the window surface. We can now click on this surface to modify or assign materials. It brings up the Material Library box. Let's have a look at the class in the Outdoor tab. Class is a unique material with properties that differ from other materials. When you click on it, a slightly different dialog box appears. Also, there are many types of preset class materials, which will help you work faster. If you still want to change the setting, click on it, and the dialog box reappears. You may also alter the RGB colors and the brightness. If you do not yet have any specific ideas for the inside wall material, just choose a light color wood material. It will give your rendering a warmer feel. In the Indoor tab, select Wooden. This brings up a variety of wooden materials, allowing you to explore the wood of your choice from Lumion's library. You might choose a whiter material for the ceiling and floor. Because we are working on an external render, we need a little favor on the inside area. When you double-click it, a similar dialog box appears, allowing you to adjust all of these properties once more. So, if you think the level of glossiness is too high, you may reduce it, or the relief, or the reflectivity, on and on. I'm going to use white pan metal for the window frame. The imported material fits what is currently in your 3D model. You can now modify the material from the 3D file instead of using the material from Lumion. In Lumion, choose Standard to edit this material. Now the texture is adjustable. Consider the relief. As a result, you can move the slider to the left. We may adjust the level of bumpiness using the relief slider. The amount of reflection on the surfaces is indicated by reflectivity, so we can lower it and a little bit as well. Displacement allows you to rise a material surface gently. About the water material, these features may be used to create a swimming pool. Choose the water material from the custom drop-down menu. You may change the appearance of the water by adjusting the color, brightness, wave height, form, and so on. For fabric material, I now use Lumion's preset material. Lumion material for the stone walls. We are modifying the scale to meet our needs. We are increasing the relief value to adjust for the pumpiness. Click on the More button. You can shift it in the X, Y, Z direction, or you can change the orientation, heading, pitch, bank. Leaves material in the Nature tab, customizable leafy hedges that may be produced in any form and size for the ivy wand. Fly the bar till you're satisfied. I'll use the standard material for the facade and adjust the transparency value slightly. For the top roof profile, go to Outdoor, select Metal. This brings up the variety of metal materials, allowing you to explore the metal of your choice from Lumion's collection. When you double-click it, the identical dialog box appears, allowing you to adjust all of these parameters once more. Use white pan metal for the window frame. We can also make some crash. Lumion now can use natural crash, which adds to the wow effect. In the Custom tab, assign the surface you want to have crash as landscape. Select the landscape menu from the left-hand side of the screen. Then click the crash button, followed by the crash on/off switch. The crash size option determines the crash density and how far off it will be visible. The crash wildness option is ideal for simulating a confined garden with clipped crash. Increasing the value may add different heights and dispersion patterns to the crash. Congratulations, you have crash in your scene now. Remember to click OK once you've finished setting the material, we now have a fully materialized Lumion file that is ready for rendering.